Hello students, this class I am going to discuss the consistency of the given homogeneous system of linear equations. The given system is said to be consistent if it has the solution. The given system is said to be inconsistent if it doesn't have the solution. So first we see what is the system of homogeneous linear equation. A11x plus A12y plus A13z which is equal to 0. A21x plus A22y plus A23z is 0. A31x plus A32y plus A33z is equal to 0. So this system is called homogeneous system of linear equation. So why we call this as a homogeneous system is the right hand side of all the three equations should be 0. Whenever I have an equation, system of equation in which the right hand sides are 0, then it is said to be a homogeneous system. It is called linear since the power of x, y, z in all the three equations is 1. That is, the degree of the variables x, y, z is equal to 1. And what is the solution of a system of equation? A set of values x, y, z satisfies all the three equations simultaneously, then it is called the solution of the given system. So to find the solution of given homogeneous system of equation, we have three steps. First step, write the coefficient matrix A for the given system of equation. So how to write the coefficient matrix A is, see, first column is coefficient of x in all the three equations. See, coefficient of x is A11, A21, A31. So the first column is coefficient of x in all the given equation. Then the second column is the coefficient of y given in all the three equation. Third column is coefficient of z in the given three equations. So first step, you need to write the coefficient matrix A. Second step, reduce the coefficient matrix A to echelon form using elementary row operation. So you know three elementary row operation. Use those elementary row operation to reduce the matrix A to echelon form. Then find the rank of the matrix A. Rank of the matrix A is denoted by row A. Then the third step, if the rank of the matrix row A which is equal to n is nothing but the number of variables given in the system of equation. For our given system, n is equal to 3. So if row A which is equal to 3, then the system is having a trivial solution, that is x is equal to, y is equal to, z is equal to 0. If the rank of the matrix A is less than n, here n is 3, so row of A is less than 3, then the system is having infinite number of solutions. Now I am going to discuss one problem, how to find the solution of a given system of equations. The question is, solve the following system of equation. Three equations are given with three variables x, y, z. See the right side, all the right side values are zeros. So the given system is a homogeneous system of equation. First step, I am writing the coefficient matrix A. So first column is coefficient of x. So 1, 3, 7. Second column is coefficient of y, 2, 4, 10. Then the third column is coefficient of z, 3, 4, 12. Now we are going to reduce the matrix A to echelon form. So you need to use the element 1 to make this 3 and 7 0. So R2 should be replaced by R2 minus 3 R1 and R3 should be replaced by R3 minus 7 R1. So if we perform this two operation, the resultant will be 1, 2, 3, 0, minus 2, minus 5, 0, minus 4, minus 9. Now I need to use this minus 2. That is nothing but the second element in the second column. So you need to use minus 2 to make minus 4 0. So the operation is R3 should be replaced by R3 minus 2 R2. So the resultant matrix will be 1, 2, 3, 0, minus 2, minus 5, 0, 0, 1. Now consider the third element in the third column below which nothing is there. So no need to do the elementary row operation. So now the given matrix, that coefficient matrix A is in the echelon form. Count the number of non-zero rows. Here the number of non-zero rows are 3. Since 3 non-zero rows are there. So row of A is equal to 3. N is nothing but the number of variables given in the system. So n is also equal to 3. So the rank of the matrix row A, which is equal to n. So this is the condition for the given system is having a trivial solution. So you need to write the solution to the given system is x is equal to y is equal to z is equal to 0. So to discuss the solution of homogeneous system of equation, first write the coefficient matrix A, then reduce the coefficient matrix A to echelon form. Then find the rank of the matrix A. Then n is nothing but the number of variables given in the system. If row A is equal to n, then the system is having trivial solution. If row A is less than n, then the system is having infinite number of solutions. Thank you.